Dr. G's awesome science experiments. I know many of you are frustrated with load shedding, but here's some small way of distracting yourself. Right, so I ask a very simple question today. Is it possible to walk through an A4 page, an ordinary A4 page? Many of you using your common sense would say no, but come on, this is a science experiment. Let's try it. So fold the page in half just like this, along its length. The first step you want to do is cut perpendicular to the length. Cut these very evenly spaced strips as you go along here. If you continue doing that, you would end up with a series of strips like this. The next step is to turn the page around, leaving the two strips at the end, cut through every strip. And many of us have lots of time on our hands, so this would be pretty simple. If you do that, then you're going to end up with a series of strips. It's going to be one complicated mess. And to complete the problem, what you do, bearing in mind leaving the two strips at the end, cut off the folds at the end. Each of these folds must be cut off quite nicely, just like that. Just be careful of your fingers. And what you'd end up with is a series of cut strips, and if you reveal that, that's quite interesting. You'd end up with something like this. Wow. Right, so remember that original A4 page? This is what you're left with. So let me show you how to walk through an A4 page. So hold the page up in front just like this. Very gently, stepping with your right foot forward first. Cast the page or the circle over your head, and I've just walked through an A4 page. Now it just reminds me, is it possible to pass your cell phone through your SIM card? Another way of asking the question, is it possible to cut a hole in your SIM card large enough so that your cell phone fits through it? We'd like to hear from you.